Alright guys, check this out. Can't believe I got this bad boy going again. So this was the Kyosho GT1 that got ran over. I rebuilt it and put a new chassis, and it's got all new A-arms and all the rest of that stuff. I just transferred this top plate in the engine, and I actually even fired up the engine last night. Well, it was about 3:30 this morning. But anyway, let's see if we can get this thing going, man. I'm really excited. See if I can get this thing going, man. I want to run it so bad. So let me get this, see if we can get this thing fired up, man. I know the tune is way off because when I fired it up last night, it started screaming. So I don't really know what that means, but I'm just gonna try and work with it. And we'll see if we get it going, man. I haven't primed it or anything, so let's see what happens. I'm still learning to set this thing up right too. Get this thing over there a bit. Going by itself. Like the idle step screw is too high. Put it on the ground. Oh. At least it's working. Oh, really, man. After all that work, finally. Oh, what was that? Oh, it sounds like the gears are getting all chewed up. Yeah, they are. Oh, the gear mesh is all fucked up. I don't know what's wrong. The fucking gears are getting chewed up. Yeah, they are. Damn. It's just not aligned properly. Because I had to drill the holes in the bottom of the chassis, these two holes, and it seems as though I drilled it over too far this way. See, I put those two holes there. You can hear how that transmission's all crunching up those gears. Dang. Well, it worked for a second. I'm gonna try and tighten up the gear mesh. Maybe that'll fix it. Well, that was a successful fail. Keep on trying, man. Let's see what happens. Give me a second.